But we begin tonight at 5 with your forecast. It is a 13 first alert action day as a dangerous windstorm blows into the Las Vegas Valley. Clark County has also issued a dust advisory through the overnight hours and into early Wednesday morning. And these winds are going to be powerful. Let's get right to our team coverage. Sean Delancey is in live drive tracking the conditions. But first, meteorologist Kevin Janison is timing it all out for us in your forecast. Kevin.
Tricia, still looks like a reasonable possibility we'll get a couple of gusts at or above that 70-mile-per-hour threshold late this evening. That's when the strongest winds are going to go through. The sustained speeds will continue to ramp up, and once we get between 9 and 11 o'clock, that's when we expect the strongest winds. Again, if you've got a bar of 46 miles per hour, it's an easy stretch to get to that gust of 70. It'll stay strong the rest of the night, just not as strong. A little bouncing of the camera that's anchored down pretty solidly on top of the stratosphere, 1,100 feet above the valley floor. Cold fronts also coming through. We've had quite a few neighborhoods right about 70 degrees. They're still there now, but once the front goes through and these winds switch directions, bringing in the colder air, you will definitely feel it. And speaking of switching directions, also coming down will be a little belt of precipitation that could throw in a few flakes along with showers. We'll get it all dialed in with the full 7-day forecast in just a few minutes, but as we prepare for the winds, it's two hands on the steering wheel, but Sean's in the passenger seat. How's it looking out there, Sean?
Yeah, Kevin, it is windy all over the valley here in the northwest, especially when you're, driving around, especially on the interstate in these high-profile vehicles like Live Drive here. You can really feel it tugging you around the valley. And one thing that we have noticed as we've been driving around the last couple of hours is the visibility getting reduced very, very quickly out here. You cannot even see the other side of the valley from the mountains up here in the northwest. Now, there are going to be some issues throughout the night as we begin to get onto the 215 here. NV Energy says that they have extra crews out and about and on standby this evening, ready to address any expected power outages that are coming this evening. Right now, there's only a handful of power outages here in the valley, but the company says that they are still warning people, their customers, that the outages could last a little bit longer, depending on how long this system actually lasts tonight and how many people get hit. The county's also issued a dust advisory, so people are being warned, if you've got breathing issues, try to spend as little time outside as possible, and also you should not be going near these construction sites. The biggest thing, make sure that you tie everything that is outside down to the ground or take it inside. In the northwest portion of the valley, I'm Sean Delancey.
Sean, thank you.